Kok gini ya? Oh, tampilannya enggak kok. Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, hari ini saya bakal presentasi tentang chapter 4 and chapter 5 itu standard user testing and standard based assessment. What is standardization? A standard user test proposes certain standard of slide-nya gerak nggak? Nggak gerak. Seriusan? Ini? Oh, di situ gitu terus ya? Bisa ya? Baru gerak ya? What is standardization? A standard user test presupposes certain standard objective or criteria that are held constant across one form of the test to another. The criteria in large-scale standard user tests are designed to apply to a broad band of competencies that are usually not exclusive to one particular curriculum. A good standard user test is the product of a thorough process of empirical research and development. It dictates a standard administration and scoring. And finally, it is typical of a non-reference test, the goal of which is to place test taker on a continuum across a range of score and to differentiate test takers by their relative ranking. Many people are under the incorrect impression that all standard user tests consist of items that have predetermined response present in a multiple choice format. While it is true that many standard user tests conform to a multiple choice format, by no means is multiple choice a prerequisite characteristic. It so happens that a multiple choice format provides the test producer with an objective means for determining correct and incorrect response, and therefore is the preferred model for large-scale tests. However, standards are equally involved in certain human for tests of oral production and writing, such as the test of spoken English, TSA, and the test of write English, TWA, but produced by ETS. Advantage and disadvantage of standard user test. Advantage of standard user testing include foremost ready-made previously validated product that frees the teacher from having to spend for writing a test. Administration to large group can be accomplished within reasonable time limits. In the case of multiple choice format, scoring procedures are streamlined for either scannable, computerized scoring or hand scoring with a whole punch grid for fast turnaround time. Disadvantage center largely on the inappropriate use of such tests. For example, using an overall proficiency test as an achievement test simply because of the convenience of the standardization. A colleague told me about a course direction who, after a frantic search for a last-minute placement test, administered a multiple choice grammar achievement test, even though the curriculum was mostly listening and speaking and involved view of the grammar point test, this instrument had the appearance and face validity of a good test when in reality it had no content validity whatsoever. Another disadvantage is the potential misunderstanding of the difference between direct and indirect testing. Developing a standardized test. In the step outlined below, 3 different standardized tests will be used to exemplify the process of standardized test design. The test of English foreign language atau TOEFL, Education Testing Service, ETS, the English as a Second Language Placement Test, EFLPT San Francisco State University, SPSU. For the Graduate Essay Test atau GAT, GAT, then SF, SQ. The first is a test of general language ability or proficiency. The second is a placement test at a university, and the third is a GAT keeping essay test that all prospective students must pass in order to take graduate level course. Pertama, determine the purpose and objective of the test. Most standardized tests are expected to provide high practicality in administration and doing with usually compromising quality. The initial outlay of time and money for such a test is insignificant, but the test would be used repeatedly. A. The purpose of the TOL to evaluate the English proficiency of people whose native language is not English, atau TOEFL test and score manual. More specifically, the TOEFL designed to have institutions of higher learning requirements, most college and university in the United States use TOEFL score to admit or refuse international applicant for admission. Sebelumnya sorry ya, ada yang typo. Ini B, the ESLPT referred to in chapter 3 in design to place already admitted students at San Francisco State University in an appropriate course in academic writing, with the secondary goal of placing students into course in oral production and grammar editing. Ini C, bukan B, sorry. To get another test design at SU is given to prospective graduate students, both native and non-native speaker, in all disciplines to determine whether their writing ability is sufficient to permit them to enter graduate level file or marginally pass the GAT, are technically ineligible to take graduate course in their field. Instead, they might elect to make a course in graduate level writing of research paper. A pass in that course is equivalent to passing the GAT. 2. Design test specification. 3. Test again. A. Construct validation for the TOEFL is carried out by the TOEFL staff at ETS under the guidance of a policy council that works with a committee of examiners that is composed of appointed external university faculty, linguists, and assessment specialists. Because the TOEFL is a proficiency test, the first step in the developmental process is to define the construct of language proficiency. First, it should be made clear that many assessment specialists such as Beckham and Palmer prefer the term ability to proficiency and to speak of language ability as the overarching concept. To make a very long story short, and leaving out numerous controversy, The TOEFL had for many years included three types of performance in its organization specification, listening, structure, and reading, all of which test comprehension through standard multiple choice tasks. In 1996, a major step was taken to include written production in the computer-based TOEFL by adding a slightly modified version of the already existing test of written English. In doing so, some page validity and content validity were improved, along with, of course, a significant increase in administrative expense. Each of these four major sections is capsuled in the box below from the description of the correct computer-based TOEFL at www.toefl.org. B. The designing of the test, which for the ESLPT was a somewhat simpler task because the purpose is placement and the construct validation of the test consists of an examination of the content of the ESL course. Having established the importance of designing ESLPT tasks that simulate classroom tasks used in the course, the designer ultimately specific to writing production tasks. One a response to an easy that student read, and the other a summary essay. And one multiple choice grammar editing task. The specification mirrored the reading-based process writing approach used in the course. And C, specification for the get hours of hour of the perceived need to provide a threshold of acceptable writing ability for all prospective graduate students at SFA school, but native and non-native speaker of English. The specification for the GET are the skill of writing grammatically and rhetorically acceptable process on a topic of some interest, with query product, organization of ideas, and logical development. The GET is a direct test of writing ability in which test takers must, in a 2-hour time period, write an easy essay on a given topic of another. 3. Design, challenge, and arrange test tasks or item. One specification for a standard user test has been stipulated the sometimes never-ending task of designing, selecting, and arranging items began. The speech act much like a blueprint in the determining the number and types of items to be read. 4. Make appropriate evaluation of different kinds of items. The principle of practicality and reliability are prominent, along with the concept of facility. Practically issued in such items include the clarity of direction, timing of the test, ease of administration, and how much time is required to score response. Reliability in a major player in instance where more than one score is employed, and to a lesser extent when a single score has to evaluate tests over long spans of time that could lead to deterioration of standard. Facility is also a key to the validity and success of an item's type, unclear direction, complex language, obscure topic, fuzzy data, and culturally based information might all lead to a higher level of difficulty that one deserves. 5. Specific scoring procedure and reporting formats. A of the three tests being examined here, the most straightforward scoring procedure comes from the TOEFL, the one with the most complex issue of validation design and assembly. Scores are calculated and reported from A, three selection of the TOEFL. The SI ratings are combined with the structure and written expression score, and B, a total score range 40 to 300, 300 on the computer-based TOEFL and 310 to on the paper and pencil TOEFL. A separate score for the SI range 0 to 6 is also provided on the examined score record. See simulation of a score record on page 80. B. JES-LPC report a score for each of the easy section, but the ratings shall differ between them because in one case the objective is to write a summary, and in the other to write a response to a reading. Each easy is read by two readers. If there is a discrepancy of more than one level, a third reader speaks of the difference. The editing section is message scan and score with the total score and with part score for each of the grammatical and rhetorical section. 6. Perform ongoing construct validation study. Any standardized test, once development must be accompanied by systematic periodic corroboration of its effectiveness and by step toward its improvement. This rigor is especially the tests that are produced in a test form that is form must be reliable across tests such that a score on a subsequent form of the test has the same quality and interpretability as its original. Standardized language proficiency testing. Test of language proficiency presuppose a comprehensive definition of the specific competency that comprises overall language ability. The specification for the TOEFL provides an illustration of an operational definition of ability for assessment purpose. This is not the only way to conceptualize the concept. Another definition and conceptualization of proficiency is suggested by the ACTVL Association mentioned earlier. ACTVL takes a holistic and more unitary view of proficiency in describing for levels superior, advanced, intermediate, and novice within each level. Description of listening, speaking, reading, and writing are provided as good guidelines for assessment. For standardized language proficiency tests. Now to some of the better-known standardized tests of overall language ability or proficiency to examine some of the typical format used in commercially available tests. 3 standardized oral production tests, the test of spoken English, ISA, the oral proficiency inventory OPG and ONPAS are discussed in chapter 2, and the test of written English TWA is conferred. For commercially produced standardized tests of English language proficiency are described briefly in the section the TOEFL, the Michigan English Language Assessment Battery atau MILAT, the International English Language Testing System atau IELTS, and the Test of English for International Communication atau TOEIC. Nah, ini contohnya kalau yang TOEFL. Tipenya dia computer based, and two section are computer adaptive or traditional paper based. Version is also available. Kedua ada MELAP, itu dia tipenya paper based. Dan ini ada IELTS, itu dia sama computer based, tapi dia lebih ke reading and writing section. Terus ada TOEIC, dia computer based paper based version. Lanjut ini ke chapter 5, standard based assessment. IELTS standard. In creating such a benchmark for accountability, O'Malley and Valdez is there is a tremendous responsibility to carry out a comprehensive study of a number of domains. Literally thousands of categories of language ranging from phonology at one end of the continuum to discourse, pragmatics, functional, and sociolinguistic element at the other end. Specification of what ELD student needs are at 13 different grade levels for succeeding in their academic and social development, a consideration of what is a realistic number and scope of standard to be included within a given curriculum, a separate set of standard qualification, expertise, training, job teacher to teach ELD students successfully in their classroom, and a thorough analysis of the means available to assess student attainment of the standard. ELD assessment, the development of standard obviously implies assessing their attainment. It is found that the standardized tests of the past decades were not in line with newly developed standards. The interactive process not only of developing standards but also of treating the responsibility for correctly standard-based assessment standard. Specialists design, revise, and validate many tests. The California English Language Development Test atau CLDT is a battery of instruments designed to assess attainment of ELD standard across grade level, not publicly available, language and literary assessment rubric, in which multiple forms of evidence of student work are collected. The teacher observes students year-round and record their observation on scannable form. Lanjut, CASAS and SCAN. CASAS, Comprehensive Adult Student Assessment System. Itu ada design to provide broadly based assessment of ESL curricula across the US. It includes more than 80 standardized assessment instruments used to place its skin program, diagnose learner needs, monitor progress, certify mastery of functional skill. At higher level of education, college, adult and language school, workplace, dengan SCANS atau Secretary Commission in Achieving Necessary Skill, itu ada outlines kompetensi necessary for language in the workplace. The maintain training in basic skill for skill, competency, development, and art, thinking skill, reasoning and problem solving, personal qualities, self-esteem and sociability, research, allocating time, materials, staff, interpersonal skill, teamwork, customer service, information processing, evaluation data, organizing files, system organization system, technology use and application, understanding social and application. Teacher standard, menurut Kuhlman pada tahun 2001, importance of teacher standard in three emphasize the domain: one, linguistic and language development; two, culture, language and culture and interrelationship between; three, planning and managing instruction. Professional teaching standards have also been the focus of several committees in the International Association of Teachers of English to Speakers of Other Language. Consequence of standard-based and standardized testing itu ada positif, dampak positifnya itu ada high level of practicality and reliability, provides insight into academic performance accurately in placing a number of test takers onto a norm reference scale, ongoing construct validation studies, dan ada dampak negatifnya itu ada they involve a number of test bias, a small but significant number of test takers are not assessed fairly, nor they are assessed accurately. Fostering extreme motivation, multiple intelligence are not considered. There is danger of test-driven learning and teaching. In general, performance is not directly assessed. Lanjut tes bias. Itu ada standardized test involve many test bias. Language, culture, race, gender, learning style. National Center for Fair and Open Testing times of test bias from teachers, parents, student, and legal consultant. Reading text, listening stimulus. Standardized test do not promote logical, mathematical, and verbal linguistics to the virtual exclusion of the other contextually integrative intelligent. Some learner may need to assess with interview for portfolio sample observation report, more formative assessment rather than summative, the upward demonstration that would solve test bias problem, but it is difficult to control it in standardized item, test driver learning and teaching. It is another consequence of standardized testing. When students know that one single measure of performance will determine their life, they are less likely to take positive attitudes toward learning. Extrinsic motivation is not intrinsic. Teachers are also affected from test-driven policies. They are under pressure to make sure their excellence is the exam, at the risk of ignoring other objectives in the curriculum. A more serious effect was to punish schools with lower socioeconomic neighborhood. Lanjut ethical issue, critical language teaching, testing. One of byproduct of rapid growing testing industry in the danger of an abuse of power. Menurut Sohami pada tahun 1997, further defines the issue. Test represent a social technology deeply embedded in education, government, and business. Tests are most powerful as they are often the single indicator for determining the future of individual. Teachers can demonstrate standard in their teaching. Teachers can be assessed through their classroom performance. Performance can be detailed with indicator. Example of evidence that the teacher can meet a part of a standard. Student learning is at the heart of the teacher performance. The issue of critical language testing are numerous. Okay, thank you. Any question, guys?
Sudah selesai?
Sudah, Mister.
Besok pagi kita belum tahu nih ya, Mister masuk. Kalau misalnya udah reda batuk Mister masuk. Jadi udah dibuat ini yang Mister suruh kemarin, setiap siswa atau mahasiswa harus membuat highlight di laptop atau di Mendeley-nya masing-masing. Sudah dibuat?
Udah dibuat, guys. Udah, Sar.
Anita udah, Anita.
Udah.
Udah. Indah?
Udah. Udah, Mister.
Gimana? Udah dibuat juga?
Udah, Mister.
Oke. Sinda?
Udah, Mister.
Jadi nanti jangan sampai pula minggu depan tertengok nggak ada gimana? Oke. Mas Izak udah ya. Oke, silakan. Ada yang mau ditanyakan untuk materi ini?
Ada yang mau ditanyain, guys?
Jadi masih ada juga hubungannya ya. Jadi hubungannya masih ada. Hubungan antara practicality, reliability.
Ya, apa, Jas?
Masih ada. Oke, silakan. Any questions for this material?
Apa, Zat? Silakan.
Or you don't have a question?
Gak ada sekarang.
Oke, kok nggak ada Mister? Oke. In some of standard of tests, yeah, some of standard in tests, we know that there are practicality and reliability. Yeah. So, what is the importance of these words to the standard of assessments? Bagaimana pentingnya practicality and reliability itu di dalam standar assessment itu? Kok segitu pentingnya sih practicality and reliability ini di suatu standar assessment ini? Kenapa? Revita ya, yang present ya?
Biasa.
Kenapa nih Revita?
Bentar ya, Sar.
Ya, kenapa? Ada mau tanya lagi? Ya, silakan. Mau dijawab sekarang atau mau tanya lagi? Hello?
Ya, Mister.
Ya.
Saya mau nanya.
Ya, silakan.
Do standardized tests have calculations?